You know, one might say that books make good neighbors.
Well,
It's a beautiful day at the library where you can find a resource for me at the U of M library. Hi, neighbors.
why, it's Mr. Rogers.
I just wanted to come by to say that when I was a boy and I would see scary things in the news, and what could be scarier than 2019, my mother would say to me, look for the helpers. You will always find people who are helping. And that's what you librarians are.
Yeah.
Above all else, you are helpers. Would you like to hear a little song about the library?
Sure, of course, yes.
So what if my facts are not okay? You folks know just what to say. You are the friends of the library. Finding me a source, check it in, check it out. You're a lot more than a dictionary. Finding me a source, check it in, check it out. Would you like to sing along with the chorus there? Here we go.
Yes,
Oh,
everybody.
you are the friends of the library. Finding me a source, check it in, check it out. You're a lot more than the dictionary. Finding me a source, check it in, check it out.